See here, it's raining a little bit. Woo, we got $4. Thank you.
I have one ready. I'm giving you.
Hi, sorry. So almost $7 for 2.7 kilometers. Thank you.
You're so different.
Thank you. Yo, what's up guys, back to another video. Today we started really late, It is 11 p.m. going to 12 a.m. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it here, it's raining a little bit. But anyways, should be busy the whole night. I'm planning to work until 2 a.m. Hopefully it stays busy. I have 2 orders to pick up here. One by Youngie. I think it's here, right? Oh yeah, it's right here. Thank you. Tony F. Thank you. All right. Alright, so double order now. The other one, I mean the new one is almost $7 for 2.7 kilometer. I just took it. Hello.
Want to pick up?
Yes, two order come out and Christine.
Oh, you have 2 orders?
Two orders.
Christine and Kamal.
Yeah.
Alright. Just give 5 minutes, Christine will also
No
be
problem.
ready. Can you pass the Pepsi?
Which one? Pepsi?
Normal Pepsi. Not
No more one. Okay.
Yes, that's what
It's like the pettiest song ever, and I'm like, okay, we'll leave.
She does like that song.
And it's just so
Bring me under.
and not a baby car.
Oh, so
Yeah, also, James told you about. Hi, James.
Good fact that you leave it on.
thank you. Appreciate it. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh. Hello. Kamal?
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you?
8393.
8390. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna give you food first. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going? For Russian. Thank you. Hello. Hi. The address is wait just a second. Oh no, sorry. 365, sorry. Thanks for asking. 365 is here. Resident only. This is probably residence. Bye-bye. I don't know, my mind immediately thought of this building because I've been delivering a lot of times to this building. Things that you ask. This guy did not let me in. Ah, oh, stress. Thank you. Hello.
I have one ready. I'm giving you one more, okay? I'm just packing the other one.
Cool. And this one is which one?
It's written on the...
Kevin. Yeah.
I'm going to write down the number for the other one.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool.
243. Give me a second. What's yours?
30F48.
30F
48.
48, right? Yeah, that's yours.
39243.
There you go. Thank you.
Kevin? Yeah. How are you? Good. Woo! We got $4 tip. Amazing. $4 for 2.7 kilometers? No, hell no. Head home. All right, guys. I think I just gonna end the video now. I don't know how much I made right now. Let me check. And probably the earnings will also update later on. But I believe right now I probably made probably 60. Here it shows 48, but I think after it's gonna update itself. So, well, I'm assuming it's $60 plus the $4 that I'm being given. I mean, I got right now. So, well, 64 or 65 maybe around there. So, anyways, that's not bad for just 2 hours that I worked, right? That's not bad. That's like over $30 an hour. But anyways, we're gonna end the video right now. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like the video, please. All right, guys, peace out. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.